Hello people, today is Saturday morning. I am in Macedonia at the moment, sunny Macedonia. You see, it's like summer here. It's October, but it's still like summer. So I'm in one city. I decided to go because they told me that here near this city we have a beautiful waterfall. So I want to go and see it because I never see it in my life till now. Let me show you. Today I'm making 2 videos in one day. I'm very greedy little bastard. I like to get more subscribers and views very fast. We're still not at the place, but nearing this waterfall I found out that here was one lake and one motel, very old motel. I know this because I was here celebrating, I don't know, I think it was 1998 New Year celebration. I was here last time then. I will show you now. Too much nature here. I wanted to make one video of throwing this. I'm making videos with GoPro Hero 9 Black camera, and I was planning to throw my camera on 40 meters depth, but I didn't know if that was a really good idea, because there are a lot of big fish in this lake, and maybe some fish can hit the camera and I will lose it, because last time I know they catch some fishes who were 250 pounds. They are very big fish. Oh man, oh, I don't have condition. Too much nature for me today. Okay, so in a few moments I will check. I think this waterfall is 5 kilometers from this place, and I also need to go again little by walk from those 5 kilometers. So let me check on my phone and we'll be there in a second. Too much nature today. Too much ups and downs. But it's okay. It's good to... I don't have time too much for physical activities. Anyway. Oh, look at this pet. It's a little creepy. The most interesting thing is that after this I will need to go up again. So today all day I'm going up and down, up and down. Oh, I'm going maybe half mile and still there is no waterfall. Oh, too much nature. You see? It's nice. It's kind of nice, but it's kind of creepy. Yeah. Probably I'm near. Here is the river. So, and I hear the waterfall, but I can't see it. Oh yeah, I think we are here. You can see from here. Oh my god. They say it's 5 kilometers by car from the lake and 700 meters with foot. But I think it's other way around. I think I'm walking maybe 3 kilometers, maybe like 2 miles, something like that. Oh man. But it's nice place. I return. Oh my. Oh. This was too much adventure for me today. Yeah. Okay, few more steps. Look, the waterfall was down there. Okay guys, that's that for today. It's almost 1 past noon. It's 1 o'clock at the afternoon. So I'm going to have some lunch now to have rest because I do much physical activities. So I hope you like my content. Please subscribe if you like to see more of those kind of videos. Bye bye.